Good morning, live for 5, 8 o'clock. We're going to do cardio sculpt today. I'm not going to play music, but I love doing this with music. So let's just get straight to it. When I don't have time to do one or the other, cardio strength or sculpt or cardio, whichever way you want to put it, I like to combine the two. And there's a lot of different reasons why I do. So I'm just going to show you a lot of the things that I like to do with the tubing anchored, but keeping it cardio. So it's a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and start. So you can do, as long as you've got great positioning, keep your heart rate up by doing lots of different arms. And you don't have to worry about repetitions because you're not doing some deep and heavy work. You just want to go to fatigue and you want to work your cardio at the same time. Now, the 3 times that I love to do this, and I'm going to do another set here, is I love to do this in between running sets. Like if I take a jog around the neighborhood and I come back to my garage, I'll anchor. Let me do a little bit of a different pull here. I'll anchor my tubing and then do this between my running sets. Another great time to do this is between light work and really heavy work to flush the body because it really allows your muscles to move. Now notice I'm hitting all different positions for my arms. So this would be more of a flushing work. My heart rate's already up. And you want to go as deep as you can in the legs to keep it cardio. Little rotator, little isolation work. And again, this isn't anything really set. So you just want to move in a lot of different ways. Maybe switch lunges, triceps. You do want to cover all your muscles, especially if this is a flush. And then the great thing, I like to do this right after treadmill intervals. Just put the tube at the back of the treadmill and you're off. Let's go ahead and do single arms. Little pec, so it's double the weight, a little harder here. Little kick out. And then you can do a combination. Switch lunges with the knee, keeping tension in the chest. And then I'm going to hold a sumo position. You can walk it, isolate small groups. Hi, guys. Oh, gosh. I've only gone into 2 minutes. So, again, working the body in as many positions as possible. You can also change the resistance. So if I'm going to do an overhead press, I can make sure that my arm is out to the side. Now, hear my heart rate, hear my breath, it's up there. Push, especially if you're combining deeper muscles and deeper work for the shoulders. Rotator. I hope you add some of this because even though it seems like it's light work, you're getting all your muscles, all your joints activated, which is great. I'm going to turn it. Any type of leg you can think of. And notice I'm just doing a bicep at the back. Knee lift, lunges. From the back, you could do chest, any which way. Add combinations with the legs. Again, I'll add the switch. You can go up, squat, pull. So sometimes just doing a light weight with some deeper cardio is enough for a good cardio workout. When I'm sitting a long time, this is the perfect one for me. I'm going to switch legs right here, and I'm going to do a little bit different. Push, turn. Push, turn. Whoops, I slipped on my little mat. Watch out for mats. Kick, pull. Kick, pull. I'm going to go to triceps. And you could pick up the pace. If you put on music, it goes a lot faster and it's a lot more fun. But I wanted to be able to chat you through this. And then you could add big kicks with full range arms. Range of motion in the shoulders, very important. And because you're controlling the arms, you're working core. We only have a few more seconds to go. I'm going to turn and face you. Right here, pull away, core, abduction. I hope you have a great day. My heart rate's up. I'm ready to start mine. I'll see you Friday for Flexibility Friday. Until next time.